Hello and welcome back to Microsoft Sphere, your ultimate source for the latest tech breakthroughs. The pace of innovation never stops, and today we've got some absolutely massive updates that you won't want to miss. Get ready to dive deep into the stories shaping our digital future. First up, a financial titan is making a significant play in the AI space, boosting stakes in some of the biggest names out there. Then, we're exploring a fascinating new feature that bridges your Android phone and your PC, making multitasking smoother than ever. But wait, there's more. A familiar tech visionary is launching a bold new venture, aiming to challenge the established order with an AI-first approach. And finally, we're looking at a truly ambitious plan to simulate an entire software giant using nothing but artificial intelligence. Stick around, because this is the news you need to know. Market Titan makes major AI bet. In the dynamic world of high finance, astute investors are constantly seeking an edge, and few possess a more celebrated track record than Steve Cohen. His hedge fund, Point72 Asset Management, manages a staggering $35 billion in assets, and Cohen himself boasts a personal net worth exceeding $20 billion. This makes his investment strategies and insights into emerging market themes incredibly influential, particularly in the burgeoning field of artificial intelligence. Cohen has publicly stated his belief that AI is not merely a fleeting trend, but a fundamental, long-term transformation, predicting it will redefine how everyone lives and conducts business over the next 10 to 20 years. We are still in the second inning of something that's going to be transformational for the economy, and the world. It is such a dramatic, important shift that to ignore it, I think it's a mistake, he remarked. This conviction is vividly demonstrated in his recent portfolio adjustments, where his fund significantly increased its holdings in two major AI players, Nvidia and Microsoft. Nvidia, the world's largest semiconductor company and a leader in the Magnificent Seven, has seen its stock surge by an astonishing 1,280% over the past 5 years. This meteoric rise is largely fueled by its dominance in supplying the high-demand AI chips and data center servers crucial for artificial intelligence development. On July 10, Nvidia achieved a historic milestone, briefly surpassing a $4 trillion market capitalization, making it the first company ever to reach this valuation. Currently, its market cap stands at an impressive $4.27 trillion. The company recently unveiled its Blackwell Ultra chip, an advanced iteration of its AI-focused Blackwell line, offering a 1.5x performance boost over previous models and a remarkable 50x improvement compared to the older Hopper series. This new chip is engineered to support advanced AI reasoning models and integrates seamlessly with Nvidia's existing GB300 NVL72 rack servers. Despite facing a $4.5 billion charge in fiscal Q1 2026 due to U.S. export restrictions on its H20 AI chips to China, the outlook has brightened. The U.S. Commerce Department began issuing export licenses for the H20 in August, reducing the projected revenue impact for Q2 by approximately $1 billion. Nvidia's fiscal 1Q26 results showcased robust demand, with revenues reaching $44.1 billion, a 69% year-over-year increase, and surpassing estimates by $813 million. The data center segment, intrinsically linked to AI, contributed $39.1 billion, marking a 73% year-over-year gain. Non-GAAP earnings per share were reported at 81 cents, exceeding forecasts by 6 cents. The company is expected to report nearly $46 billion in revenues for fiscal 2Q26, a 53% year-over-year increase. It is within this context of sustained growth that Steve Cohen's Point72 has been actively expanding its Nvidia stake. Since Q1 2023, the fund has increased its holdings by an additional 4,331,373 shares, representing a 208% jump, and bringing the total to 6,421,284 shares, valued at $1.12 billion. Analysts like Joshua Buchalter of Cohen are bullish on Nvidia, citing its strong product pipeline and earnings potential. Buchalter notes that Nvidia is trading at a discount compared to Broadcom, despite a clearer growth trajectory, and remains the most compelling way to invest in AI. He maintains a $235 price target, suggesting a 34% potential upside. With 36 out of 40 recent analyst reviews recommending a buy, Nvidia holds a strong buy consensus rating. Microsoft, another Magnificent Seven member and a leader in the software industry with a $3.75 trillion market cap, has also seen increased investment from Cohen. His fund acquired 967,725 shares in the second quarter, boosting its total stake to 2,437,022 shares, valued at $1.23 billion, a 66% increase. Microsoft's AI strategy, anchored by a $13 billion investment in OpenAI, has integrated AI into its Azure cloud platform and products like Copilot, driving significant revenue growth. In fiscal 4Q25, Microsoft reported $76.4 billion in revenue, an 18% year-over-year increase, with its intelligent cloud segment growing 26% to $29.9 billion. Truist analyst Terry Tillman rates Microsoft a buy with a $675 price target, citing its dominant position in AI and cloud computing. Public reaction has been overwhelmingly positive, with investors and analysts alike recognizing the strategic importance of these AI investments. The market is keenly watching how these moves by major players like Cohen will influence the broader AI landscape and the performance of these tech giants. This significant financial backing highlights the immense confidence in the AI sector's future. Next, we'll explore how your own devices are getting smarter with a seamless new connection between your phone and PC. Seamless app resumption arrives for Android on Windows 11. Microsoft is deepening its commitment to Android and Windows 11 interoperability, a trend clearly visible in the latest Insider builds. The newest feature rolling out allows users to pick up where they left off with Android apps directly on their Windows 11 PCs. While not every app will support this functionality, and it's not designed for all use cases, the potential for enhanced productivity and convenience is substantial. Initially, this feature is being introduced with support for a single application, Spotify. The concept is straightforward. Begin using an app on your Android phone, perhaps while on the go, and then transition to your Windows 11 PC to continue the experience without missing a beat. Microsoft's release notes for the latest preview builds explain the process. We are beginning to gradually roll out the ability to seamlessly resume using your favorite apps from your Android phone on your Windows 11 PC to Windows Insiders in the dev and beta channels. To start with, you will be able to resume or continue listening to your favorite Spotify tracks and episodes right from where you left off on the Spotify app on your Android phone. The user experience is designed to be intuitive. Users start a song or podcast episode on their Spotify Android app. On a Windows 11 PC running the latest Insider preview builds, a resume alert will appear on the taskbar. Clicking this alert opens Spotify's desktop app, automatically resuming playback from the exact point where it was paused on the phone. Naturally, the same Spotify account must be active on both the Android and Windows applications for this to function. Furthermore, users interested in testing this feature will need to complete some initial configuration steps. Microsoft has provided instructions for this setup, indicating that while the underlying framework is in place, app developers will play a crucial role in enabling this cross-device continuity for their own applications. Currently, there is no official word on which other apps will adopt this feature in the future. However, it is easy to envision other music streaming services, video platforms, and even productivity apps leveraging this capability to offer a more integrated user experience. The seamless transition between phone and PC could be a significant boon for users who frequently switch between devices throughout their day. It is important to note that this functionality is currently exclusive to Android users. Those who use Windows 11 with an iPhone are unlikely to see similar integration in the near future, given the different ecosystem and technical requirements. This development has sparked considerable discussion among tech enthusiasts and users. Many see it as a valuable addition to Windows 11, enhancing its appeal for Android users. Questions are already being raised about which apps would benefit most from this feature, with suggestions ranging from other media apps to productivity tools. The potential for this cross-platform integration to streamline workflows and enhance entertainment experiences is a key talking point. This integration is a significant step towards a more unified digital ecosystem. Now, let's shift gears to a bold new venture shaking up the tech world. Elon Musk launches AI software rival, Macrohard. In a move that has sent ripples through the tech industry, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has announced the creation of a new company named Macrohard, explicitly designed to challenge Microsoft's extensive software empire by leveraging artificial intelligence. Musk confirmed the venture on X, humorously acknowledging the name's playful jab at Microsoft while emphasizing the project's serious intent. This marks another ambitious foray by the billionaire into AI-driven disruption. Musk articulated his vision for Macrohard, stating that since traditional software companies like Microsoft do not manufacture their own physical hardware, it should be theoretically possible to replicate their entire software ecosystem using AI. He plans to achieve this by developing a sophisticated network of specialized AI agents. These agents will be capable of coding, generating and interpreting various forms of content, including text, images, and video. Their collective efforts, operating within virtual machines, are intended to produce outputs on par with human-level performance and creativity. Earlier, Musk had teased this concept on X, suggesting the project would involve the collaboration of hundreds of AI agents working together to create software that is virtually indistinguishable from human-made products. He characterized the undertaking as a macro challenge, acknowledging its significant difficulty, and even invited followers to guess the company's name before its eventual reveal as Macrohard. Musk's relationship with Microsoft and its CEO, Satya Nadella, is complex, characterized by both competition and occasional collaboration. Musk has been a vocal critic of Microsoft's close ties with OpenAI, even naming it in a lawsuit that accused OpenAI of deviating from its original nonprofit mission. However, the two leaders have also engaged publicly, such as during a discussion in May when Musk's Grok 3 models were integrated into Microsoft's Azure AI platform, illustrating how their interests can converge despite underlying tensions. Musk has consistently used these interactions to position his own AI models as superior. While promoting the upcoming Grok 5 model, he maintains that Grok 4 already surpasses its competitors. In contrast, Microsoft heavily relies on OpenAI's models to power its AI-driven Copilot tools across various products like GitHub, Windows, and its web services. This creates a direct competitive dynamic between Musk's AI ambitions and Microsoft's strategic partnership with OpenAI. The announcement has generated significant buzz, with many speculating on the potential impact of an AI-native software company challenging established players. Industry observers are keenly watching how Macrohard will develop and whether Musk's vision of AI-generated software can truly compete with the decades of development and market presence of companies like Microsoft. The implications for the future of software development and the broader AI landscape are profound, as this venture could redefine how software is created and delivered. This bold move by Musk signals a new era of AI-driven competition in the software industry. Now, let's dive into the even more ambitious AI simulation plans. Musk's xAI to simulate Microsoft entirely with AI. Elon Musk has officially confirmed a groundbreaking initiative under his artificial intelligence venture, xAI. This new project, dubbed Macrohard, is envisioned as a purely AI software company with the audacious goal of simulating the operations of a major software enterprise like Microsoft entirely through artificial intelligence. Musk clarified on X that this is not a hypothetical exercise, but a concrete endeavor, underscoring his commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities. Musk's fundamental premise is that since software companies, by their nature, do not rely on proprietary physical hardware for their core operations, it should be feasible to replicate their entire software ecosystem using advanced AI systems. The strategy involves deploying a vast network of specialized AI agents. These agents will be programmed to handle a wide array of tasks, including coding, design, content generation, text, images, video, and even management functions within a simulated corporate environment. The ultimate aim is for these AI agents to collaborate autonomously in virtual settings, emulating human interaction with software until optimal results are achieved. This ambitious project aligns with xAI's overarching mission to advance AI technology. Musk described the Macrohard initiative as a significant, albeit challenging, undertaking that his team is prepared to tackle. The name Macrohard itself is a clear nod to Microsoft, with Musk having previously posted Macrohard Microsoft, signaling a direct competitive intent. The project is intrinsically linked to xAI's substantial computational infrastructure, notably its Colossus II supercomputer located in Memphis. To power these complex AI simulations and development efforts, xAI is reportedly acquiring millions of Nvidia GPUs, positioning itself in direct competition with tech giants like OpenAI and Meta for essential AI computing resources. Further details about Macrohard's strategic direction have emerged through trademark filings with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. xAI has secured the Macrohard name for a variety of AI-related goods and services. These include AI-generated speech and text software, as well as AI-assisted video game design tools. These filings suggest a deliberate plan for a structured market launch, with a particular emphasis on leveraging AI for creative and developmental applications. While xAI has not yet released specific technical details or a concrete development timeline for Macrohard, Musk has consistently highlighted this project as part of a broader, long-term strategy. This strategy encompasses integrated advancements in AI, robotics, and autonomous systems across all of his companies. Notably, Musk has increasingly framed Tesla not just as an automotive manufacturer, but as an AI robotics company, emphasizing the growing convergence of AI with traditional industrial sectors. The market reaction to this announcement has been a mix of intrigue and skepticism. Industry analysts are closely monitoring xAI's progress, evaluating the feasibility of simulating a complex software entity using AI. The potential implications for software development, intellectual property, and the competitive landscape of the AI industry are substantial. If successful, Macrohard could fundamentally alter how software is conceived, created, and deployed. This ambitious simulation plan represents the cutting edge of AI development. And that's all the news for today. We've covered a lot today. Steve Cohen's major AI stock plays, seamless Android app resuming on Windows 11, Elon Musk's AI rival Macrohard, and the plan to simulate Microsoft using AI. Don't miss out on future updates. Like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere, hit that notification bell, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Follow us on all social platforms for more tech insights.